Hey guys, welcome to Fast and the Furious, part 12. We're trying to escape this planet fitness and find a safe haven to land on. Now, I don't know about you, but a safe haven for me includes a nice cup of beer. And I know you might like a glass of beer, but me, I drink my beer out of cups. So, whatever I think about the Four Horsemen Brewery. Now, although they don't serve their beer out of cups, I don't know why. They do have some nice frosty mugs available, which, I'll settle for it, I guess. I'll settle for it. If you've ever been in Covington, which is where I was just at, and looking for the Four Horsemen Brewery, it's just a stone throws away from the freeway. So once you find your way to the freeway, 18 West, just jump on, and it's 5 minutes away. You'll know you're going the right direction because on the left side, you will see a sign that says brewery. And I know you've seen this sign. I know if you've even wondered, what's that sign? Is there a brewery nearby? I'm on my way to Auburn. I can't make it. See, that's the sign right there. Well, you don't have that excuse today because I'm taking you on a ride in my car. And this is Fast and Furious 10, so we're going fast, as you can see. Yeah. So just to let you know, whenever we get there, you might see dogs. People bring their dogs. You might see cats. People bring their cats. You might see parrots. People bring their parrots. But what you will definitely see is some really good beer. Award-winning beer. Yeah. One thing I do got to tell you, a lot of people drive really fast on this road like myself, but they don't know when to brake. And that lady there in the corner has seen her fair share of cars in her garage that she did not mean to have. So please be careful and drive the speed limit, Leave the fast driving to professionals. But once you get here, you see a beautiful yard, park up, and we can start munching away on that food or get that beer. We'll see you there.